Alright, this is very nice. Today on the 12th of July 2024, so we have Lahdenkatu 14 stickers A here in Lahti, Finland, with stage 3 purchase of 204 grams. We thought it was added in 2000, but it has been modernized in 2000 with the Kone pictures.
Yeah.
And then probably at the beginning of 2000 it has the older Kone stuff.
Yeah.
I'll turn on the lights again. Switch them on again. Yes, the solution was built in 1946, and the assembly is 3760 with 5 floors. Yeah. Oh, sorry. The beep would have been nearby, but it's not bad for this, but I mean, not necessary. But an older beep is better.
Yeah. It's like device maintained by Kone. Close the door.
Sorry.
That's